Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your paleo teacher, Jen, and it's time for Monday Musings. You probably remember this scene from Jurassic Park, Dr. Alan Grant and Timmy and Lex running through an open field as long-legged Gallimimus dashed around them before one got munched by the T-Rex. Gallimimus is distantly related to Tyrannosaurus. Both belong to Coelurosauria, with Tyrannosaurs branching off earlier than Ornithomimids, or the bird mimics. Ornithomimids bear a superficial appearance to the modern rat-eyed birds, meaning ostriches, emus, rheas, cassowaries, kiwis, and tinamous, though ornithologists may disagree here, but cladistically, these guys do belong in the group, so suck it up. Ornithomimids appeared in the early Cretaceous period and went extinct at the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. When they were first found, ornithomimids were originally classified as megalosaurs, which was a wastebasket taxon for a long time. It was Rinchen Barsbold, a Mongolian paleontologist, who recognized their distinctiveness and placed them in their own infraorder, Ornithomimosauria. Today, ornithomimids are nestled within the clade Coelurosauria, the clade Tyrannoraptora, the clade Maniraptora forms, and the clade Ornithomimosauria. They are sister clades with Maniraptora. Ornithomimosauria is split into two smaller clades, Dinosauridae and Ornithomimidae. Ornithomimids have small skulls with large eyes. So this here is the orbit where the eye goes. Mostly toothless, though primitive forms do have small teeth. They have long, slender necks, arms, and legs. The forelimbs end in large claws, while the hind limbs ended in long feet with short toes ending in hoof-like claws. The toes and the feet were pinched together, which indicated that they were cursorial or running animals. And they were likely covered with feathers similar to modern ostriches. The most basal member is the early Cretaceous South African Inquebsaurus. It closely resembles Compsognathids, which broke off just a little before Maniraptora forms. Other basal ornithomimids include the Spanish Pelecanomimus, the Chinese Shenzusaurus, and the Mongolian Harpymimus. So Dinosauridae is a family found in Asia and North America. This group tended to get larger than its sister family, the Ornithomimidae. They were not built to run. They had long arms that ended in blunted claws and a skull that superficially looked similar to duckbill hadrosaurs. Dinosaurs that belong in this family include the largest, Deinocheirus, Garudamimus, and Paraxenosaurus. Ornithomimidae contains the more familiar bird mimics. These were the typical long, slender animals with small skulls and huge eye sockets. All had toothless beaks. Many genera belong in this family, including Dromaeosaurus, Gallimimus, Ornithomimus, for which the group was named, and Struthiomimus. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure that you tune in tomorrow for some fun trivia. Fossilise later.